Hey, hi guys, this is Vishal and you are watching HackShala. So today's tutorial is related about a lab setup HAWordy walkthrough, right? The lab is designed for a beginners for WordPress penetration testing practice. This lab is designed as a capture the flag and not as a boot to root, but it contains multiple vulnerability. Okay, we will discuss about this vulnerability, right? So let's start. There is a vulnerable walkthrough. We will discuss only, not practice. Like हम लोग solve करने वाले नहीं है, हम लोग बस discuss करने वाले हैं. So what about the penetration testing methodology? So the machine is easily available. You can see here the machine is easily available. You download it from here. Okay, I will put a link in descriptions. You can check it out and download it from here, as well as you can download it from WorldHub website, worldhub.com, right? So you can download it from there also. So as a given penetration testing methodology, we will discuss, right? Like network scanning is the first point. How to find the IP address. That one is like whether you know how to find the IP address using a discover or whatever you use. They just got an IP address. And next one, you have to find the services running over the IP, right? Which services are running on the IP that you have to know, right? So nmapping is used to find the services port, which port is open, which port is closed, whatever it is. Like a closed port is not mandatory important, but which port is open, you can find out from the nmapping, right? Next one is enumerations. Enumeration point is very important, right? Whether you know there are HAWordy services are running or web services are started. Web server, the IP address is contained web server, yeah, website. Then you can find the more detail about website, like web applications or directories files using the derp, GoBuster, or directory buster, right? You can use these tools to find the directories or files, right? Next one is like scanning WordPress. How can I use WP scan? I just got the details regarding about WordPress CMS over the website. I just find, just you can see here and mapping result. I think so. The HAWordy services Apache, right? And okay, here you can not recognize WordPress. Okay, fine. So once you open the website or the here, like here, and directory, use a directory buster, you can find there are a directory like WordPress. And once you got the WordPress is a website over there, then you find the more detail about WordPress CMS using WP scan tool, right? Here is the WP scan tool, right? WP scan tool, and you can find the more details about WordPress. Next one, suppose I got the WordPress website and I am digging the exploitations for the WordPress website. Okay, there is a number of vulnerability, maybe possible, right? Maybe possible. There are a number of vulnerability, maybe like the plugins vulnerability, themes vulnerability, or maybe the user password brute force attack may be possible over there, right? So you can find the possibility which can exploitable, right? And get a shell access or get a access, right? So there is a first method, you can say like the upload method. Okay, file upload method, exploiting reflex gallery, right? So reflex gallery, you can use a custom payload as a reflex gallery, okay? Or you can use meta exploit, where is modules available in meta exploit also. You can use it also, right? So reflex gallery modules are available over the exploit-db website. You can download it and use it. It's very easy to use, right? It's very easy to use. Okay, and also meta exploits contain modules like reflex gallery also. So you can use meta exploit too. Okay, I think so my net suck. Okay, fine, let it reload. Okay, fine. Next one. So once you got a reflex gallery exploit is available, then there is a reflex gallery 3.1.3 arbitrary file upload. You can see here the file uploading method, right? So how to use this exploit? Here is the exploit, right? HTML code. You need to replace your IP address, and you can assign date. Okay, so you can assign a date. Fine. Just use this HTML code to create a HTML file. Click it, submit your upload your shell, your reverse shell, your bind shell, whatever your shell upload. And once you upload your shell, you can find the path of your shell from here, right? So what you assign a date in this HTML, just use this whether you just open this path, you can find the folder regarding about date, uploading date, right? So after that you find your shell also. Just open it and you get you getting a shell access, right? That's all. So next one exploit in reflex gallery, spawning the shell, meta exploit and capture the flag. One flag, you will get a one flag. I guess the flag user is www data, right? So next one is privilege escalation. Privilege escalation very easy, using HAWordy binary. You can use linux enum.sh file also to find privilege escalations, enumerations, privilege escalations, and to find the enumerations using this file, right? So there is a HAWordy binary for cp/bin/cp/bin/user wget. There are two files, the two files both having HAWordy binaries. So you can use these two files, or you can write your etc password file. Once you upload or write, you can get access. Okay, second one vulnerability is LFI and CSRF using mail master and OWP support. Okay, there is a two vulnerability. First is file upload, second is LFI. So just go with a LFI, or you can go with a file upload also. Okay, next third vulnerability is SQL injections. Okay, so here you can get a SQL injections vulnerability also. Fourth method is RFI. So inject a PHP malicious code using RFI, right? There are fifth one method is authenticated file upload. Okay, slide show gallery. So within a fifth vulnerability, you can get access, even meta exploit access, metapreter access, or shell access. You get access, right? Once you get access, go with a privilege escalation. Privilege escalation is set UID, SUID privilege escalation. Okay, fine. Let's check out more details. Here is an mapping result. 80 port only started. Enumerations or the website, derb user derb, find a directories, got a WordPress directory. Second, just open the WordPress, then you can check here. Here is a page of WordPress site, and just you got this website containing WordPress website, right? So then you apply WP scan, right? Once you find the plugins, there are number of plugins. Okay, number of plugins like reflex gallery, multiple plugins like jQuery, pretty, photo, DOM, cross-site scripting है यहाँ पर. Okay, यहाँ पर reflex gallery. How to use the reflex gallery using the meta exploit? You can find the code here, right? Commands like use exploit exploit reflex gallery file uploading and our host target UR/WordPress and run. Once getting the metapreter access, go in the shell, use a Python 3. Remember one, suppose you are not able to spawn the shell, just use the Python 3. I guess single Python is not running over the website, right? I guess I don't know, I'm not confirmed, but I think so. Only Python is not working over the website, right? So use a Python 3. Then once type this, you get a shell, a spawn shell, and then later you need find a user. Okay, user ls/home. There is a Raj user. Okay, there is a Raj user, or uh, after getting the flag, first flag.txt, flag1.txt. After getting a user flag, you need switch your user, non-root user, to the high privilege user, who root user, right? So therefore you need find or to use the enumerations, privilege enumerations, like a set UID pre-enumeration, check the set UID enumeration, use a sudo abusing, check the cron tab, check path variable, check kernel exploitation, check blah 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 blah, or use linux enum file, right? Linux enum.ssh. Just find the linux enum .sh file, copy the code and paste over the website, right, in /time folder, and run it. You can find out every vulnerability regarding about Linux operating system, this Linux operating system, whether there is a kernel exploitations available, then it will show you the kernel exploitations available, or if whether there is a kind of cron tab privilege, then Linux, this script will show you there are a cron tab vulnerability are available. Just use it and go, right? You will get a privilege, right? But I just want to recommend you ki, like, don't use Linux enum script, go use a manual enumerations. Okay, once done, you got what is a privilege escalation is available over the website, that is set UID, by using the find command -perm u equal to yes for the set UID, user having the set UID permission. Okay, so there are two files. Suppose the file name is not a suppose, there is a file, which one is a set, which one having the set UID permission, wget file and a cp file. Okay, cp and wget, you can use a cp and wget file as a normal user or as a daemon user, right? So suppose you use this cp command as a normal user, okay, then you can like manipulate anything like arbitrary file or sensitive file also. How? Like etc shadow file not able to use by normal non-root user, but whether you copy set UID shadow file using the cp command or /bin cp, you can, right, you can dump it, right? So just create a password using OpenSSL command. Just create a password, like ignite is a user, here is ignite is a user, and the pass123 is a password. Here you can create a password, right? And here you can see like cat etc password file, you can check it. Okay, so ओके फाइन। तो यहाँ पर ये जो है यूज़र, उसका खुद का ये आई थिंक सो यूज़र है सपोज, चलो ठीक है कोई नहीं। तो यहाँ पर उन्होंने क्या किया है, मैं आपको थोड़ा सा क्लियर बताता हूँ। यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा कन्फ्यूजन टाइप है। तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, वी नीड टू क्रिएट अ फाइल, अ पासवर्ड लाइक दिस, ओके, and add this hash or add this hash in password file, right? Like this ignite, then colon, use a colon, then use your this hash, okay, which one is output using OpenSSL, use this here, then use a colon 0 colon 0 colon root colon /root colon /bin bash. It means you assign this user as a root, okay. This user can use a root bin bash access and he's owner of root, right? So whether you use this entire file, copy this file, download, upload this in your attacking machine, HAWordy machines, whatever the name, I just hardly use a pronunciation like HAWordy or whatever it is. Okay, fine. So just download the file which you modify right there and upload on the machine. Okay, there is a, I think so you can upload it, download or upload it over the machine. And where it is, cp, where is, okay, just you use to slash bin slash cp. Okay, cp for copy paste, right? So copy your file into etc/passwd. it overwrite, ठीक है, because set uid permission are granted to slash bin slash cp command. So you can overwrite anything or you can copy paste anything which may be the arbitrary files also. Okay, though, so you just copy your content which you write here, you just copy paste your content into system/etc/passwd file. So once you copy paste or once you overwrite your details, your users, your password in etc/passwd file, you can switch your user to. So once it completed, just type command su, use your user, type your username and enter, and just use your password which you created, right? So just pass 1 2 3 4. You can see here you got access of root, right? So that's all. ये है नॉर्मली हमें रूट में जाने के लिए सीपी सेट यूआईडी सीपी के लिए दिया है, सीपी के लिए, और डुप्लीकेट के लिए दिया है. डुप्लीकेट यहाँ पर ज़्यादातर यूज़ नहीं हुआ है, बट सीपी का यूज़ करके हम लोग राइट कर सकते हैं हमारे फाइल्स को. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर यू कैन सी सेकेंड मेथड इज सेकेंड मेथड इज LFI एंड CSRF. सो LFI एंड CSRF का भी यूज़ करके यहाँ पर क्या किया है, एक्सेस लिया है. ओके, तो CSRF के बाद जो आता है यहाँ पर वो 5 मेथड है. ठीक है, 5 मेथड है. तो एक ही मशीन को हैक करने के लिए 5 मेथड यहाँ पे दिए हैं. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर आपका जो प्रैक्टिस होगा, जब यहाँ पर आपका जो एक्सरसाइज होगी वो अच्छी खासी हो जाएगी. ऑथेंटिकेटेड फाइल अपलोड CSRF, वो सब चीज़ें हम लोग जब देखते हैं एक ही मशीन के ऊपर, तो आप सभी मेथड्स को ब्रशअप करते हो और आपको उसका लॉजिक समझ में आता है. ठीक है, अब बहुत बार यहाँ पर दिक्कत आती है कि शेल स्पॉनिंग नहीं हो रहा है या वहाँ पर कनेक्शन नहीं इस्टेब्लिश हो रहा है. तो वो जब हम लोग इंडिविजुअली सब ये चीज़ें करते हैं बिना वॉक थ्रू देख के, तो वो समझ में वो जो ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्टिव रहता है. ठीक है, ओके, और समझ में भी ज़्यादा जल्दी से आता है. ठीक है, तो ये था हमारा HAWordy वॉक थ्रू अवार्ड्स वॉट एवर. तो ये जो है इजी वाला मशीन है. ओके, इतना हार्ड नहीं है. उसमें वर्डप्रेस वल्नरेबिलिटी है एक, वर्डप्रेस पे वल्नरेबिलिटी मतलब प्लगइन्स की वल्नरेबिलिटी है एक, उसमें आया. ठीक है, सेकेंड आएगा वहाँ पर सेट यूआईडी प्रिविलेज एस्केलेशन है. 2 ही पॉइंट यहाँ पर है. ओके, एक वर्डप्रेस प्लगइन्स और सेकेंड सेट यूआईडी परमिशन. तो वो दोनों ही यहाँ पर हमें करना है, ज़्यादा हार्ड मशीन नहीं है. ओके, आई होप सो यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई जस्ट वांट टू एक्सप्लेन. आई थिंक सो. ठीक है, चल ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. हम लोग नेक्स्ट टाइम आएंगे और नए मशीन, और आई थिंक सो यही मशीन हम लोग प्रैक्टिस के लिए या प्रैक्टिकल करके दिखाएंगे. कल मैंने डाउनलोड नहीं किया है इस मशीन को, बट हम लोग इसी मशीन को कल प्रैक्टिकली करके दिखाएंगे. लेट्स सी क्या मतलब हम लोग सॉल्व कर पाते हैं कि नहीं. ठीक है, थैंक यू गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग. आई होप सो यू लाइक इट. सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना, बिकॉज मैं यहाँ पर मशीन हैकिंग के हिंदी और मराठी और इंग्लिश तीनों लैंग्वेज में मैं यहाँ पर आपको वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल बना के देता हूँ. अभी मोस्ट ऑफ मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आता हूँ. वीडियो बनाना मेरे लिए तो अभी पॉसिबल नहीं हो रहा है. मैं एडिटिंग भी नहीं करता हूँ, तो जो भी पॉसिबल है मैं करता हूँ. और जो भी गलती हुई होगी छोटी मोटी गलती, तो आई एम रियली सॉरी गाइज. आई होप सो यू अंडरस्टैंड. थैंक यू गाइज. बाय बाय. हैव अ नाइस डे. Log out.